So today we're still working on money, and we're working on page number 109 of your Mathemagic book. And today we're going to concentrate on number 1, A to F, and these are the ones that I will ask you to do into your copy. It says, when doing these, find the cost of one item first. And you remember we did that with the footballs yesterday. So at 1A it says 7 apples cost $2.66. How much for 4 apples? So you know how much 7 apples cost. But to calculate how much 4 apples cost, the key is to find the cost of 1 apple. In order to do that, you divide. €2.66 divided by 7 gives you 1 apple. If you multiplied your answer by 7 again, you'd be back to $2.66, because that's what 7 apples cost. However, when you get 1 apple by division, short division, then you can find 4 apples by multiplying your answer by 4. So you're going to divide and then multiply. At B, it says 9 cartons of apple juice cost €5.13. How much for 5 cartons? So in order to find how much 1 carton of apple juice costs, you must divide 5.13 by 9. That gives you 1 carton's cost, and that is the key to this. When you have 1 carton's cost, you can easily find out how much 5 cartons cost by simply multiplying. At C, it says 8 buns cost €2.72. So we know what 8 cost. And we want to find the cost of 7. Now, in order to do that easily, we need to find what 1 bun costs by dividing 272 by 8. To find the cost of 7 buns then, we know what 1 bun costs, and we multiply that figure by 7, and that'll give you your answer. It'll be a little bit under €2.72. At D, it says 6 packets of peanuts cost €8.28. How much would 5 packets cost? So we need to again find out what 1 packet costs by dividing it by the number of packets that we know about. So 8.28 divided by 6. Then get your answer and multiply by 5, and that'll give you what 5 costs. At E, it says 5 kilograms of meat costs €41.75. How much should 7 kilograms cost? So you must divide by 5. You know what 5 kilograms cost. To figure out what 1 kilogram costs, which is always the key, you must divide by 5. When you've divided by 5, then you multiply by 7 to find out how much 7 kilograms will be. It'll be greater than what 5 kilograms cost. At F, it says 7 bags of potatoes cost €67.83. How much should 12 bags cost? So 7 bags are €67.83. The key is to find out what 1 bag costs by dividing by 7. When you know what 1 bag costs, you multiply that answer by 12. So this whole question at number 1 involves figuring out what 1 thing costs by dividing, and then finding out what a certain amount of them costs by multiplying. If you have any questions, as always, send me a message by email or on the Google Classroom stream, or you can speak with me on the Zoom class. So question 1, A to F, and remember each question has 2 steps in it. You must divide, then multiply. Best of luck with them.